In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add expression in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll create a more expressive voiceover by selecting an expressive voice, adjusting stability, style, and clarity, shaping your script with punctuation and short sentences, then generating and downloading the final audio. First, log into your account. On the ElevenLabs homepage, sign in with your credentials and wait for the dashboard to load. Next, click Text-to-Speech. You'll see the text editor on the left and voice settings on the right. This is where you'll make all the changes that add expression to your voiceover. Now choose an expressive voice from the voice library. Open the voice library, browse the available voices, and select one that mentions an emotional or expressive range in its description. Click to select it so it becomes the active voice back in the text-to-speech panel. Using a voice designed for nuanced delivery makes the style controls more effective. Set stability to 30 to 50%. In the settings, find the stability slider and drag it into the 30 to 50% range. Lower stability allows more variation and emotion in the delivery. Higher stability makes the voice flatter and more consistent. Keeping it around the middle gives you expressive movement without losing control. If you notice the delivery becoming too unpredictable later, you can nudge this slightly higher. If it still sounds too flat, bring it a bit lower within this range. Increase style or style exaggeration. Move the style or style exaggeration slider up to add stronger emphasis, energy shifts, and more dynamic phrasing. Increase it gradually. A moderate boost usually sounds natural while still adding life to the read. Going too high can sound overacted, so aim for a level that matches your content and audience. Keep clarity balanced. The clarity setting controls how crisp and articulated the words sound versus how relaxed and natural the voice feels. Leave this close to the center or a balanced point that keeps consonants clear without making the delivery sharp or robotic. Extreme settings can reduce natural expression, so a middle position works best for most scripts. Add punctuation, aside, in your script. In the text editor, update your script to guide the voice. Use an ellipsis to create a brief pause or a reflective beat. Add an exclamation mark for genuine emphasis, like a call to action or a key reveal. Insert commas to break long ideas into smaller phrases so the voice has room to breathe. Punctuation tells the model how to pace and stress your words, which directly affects expression. Keep it purposeful and avoid overusing any single mark. Use short sentences for stronger expression. Break complex lines into concise statements. Short sentences make the rhythm clearer and help the voice land important points. If you see a long sentence, split it into 2 or 3 simple lines. This reduces monotone delivery and keeps the performance focused and confident. Keep your language direct and avoid filler words that dilute emphasis. Click Generate. Once your voice is selected, stability is set to 30 to 50%, style is increased, clarity is balanced, and your script has clear punctuation and short sentences. Go ahead and click the Generate button. Wait a moment while ElevenLabs processes the text. This applies all of your voice and style choices to the read. Download your audio. When the generation finishes, click the download option to save the file to your device. Choose a location you can find easily. Your expressive voiceover is now ready to use in your project. At this point, the setup is complete, and your expressive audio generated in ElevenLabs is ready and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.